again, second graders. It's writing time. Do you guys know what we're going to write about today? I bet you guessed. Yep, that's right. We are back on our informational writing, and we are ready to write about subtopic 3. Some of you are going to say, hey, this seems just like we're doing the same thing over and over again. Well, guess what? That's how the beauty of informational writing is that once you learn the setup and the pattern and how to put your writing together, then you can do any informational writing you want in the future. So the same setup of an introductory paragraph, a subtopic 1, subtopic 2, subtopic 3, and a closing paragraph is the formula that you're going to use in school, throughout school. So you're going to start it in second grade, and then you guys are going to be experts. And then all the papers that you write here on out are just going to be super easy because you're going to say, we learned the formula already to do this. So yes, we are on subtopic number 3 today. So we wrote about matter, which is our main topic with our introduction and introducing our 3 subtopics. We wrote about solids, subtopic number 1. We wrote about liquids, subtopic number 2. And what's today? Subtopic number 3 on gases, following that same pattern. So get your new paper out, another piece of paper, and right on top of it you could write subtopic 3. And then we're going to start the same hamburger paragraph that we've written for the other 2 subtopics. In that we'll have an introductory sentence, we'll have our 3 supports or information that we want to tell the reader about gases, and then we'll have our closing sentence. And then once you finish, you put that right behind the pieces of paper that you wrote on for the introduction in subtopic 1 and 2, and you're pretty close to having a full informational essay to turn in. So you guys are just doing fantastic. So let's go ahead and write about subtopic number 3. Are you ready?
Now you probably have gotten the hang of this and you know exactly what I'm going to say. Well, you're right. Here are my notes on gases. I'm going to take a look at my notes. I'm going to then formulate an opening sentence, get some details in there, and then have my closing sentence. You can use my notes or you can use your own notes that you took last week. Let me show you my paragraph. Here's my paragraph on subtopic number 3. Following my same hamburger method, I have my opening sentence. My opening sentence introduces my subtopic. My opening sentence is, gases are mysterious because they usually can't be seen. I then have 3 supporting details. These are details that are directly related to gases, directly related to my topic. My supporting details are gases do not have definite shape or volume. Like liquids, gases will take the shape of their containers. If a gas is not in a container, it will spread out indefinitely. Think about the air you breathe every day. That air spread across the empty space around the earth. Also, you usually cannot see air. And then I have my closing sentence. My closing sentence is, there are so many cool properties about gas. So again, my closing sentence just restates my opening sentence. You can use my subtopic number 3 paragraph as a guide. You can use it as almost word for word, or you can totally write one on your own with the notes that you took. Happy writing!